Hi, this is Yeshi, and this is your small clips off forgotten videos. This is insane, please do not do this. This machine will total crush your bones. Watch it closely. Few more inch. This is painful to watch. Oh no! Is he okay? That's a big truck. He looks like he is going to pass out. Is this truck will totally run over him? I'm surprised he is still okay. Oh my god, his body seem okay. Woo, he is standing. That is one awesome magic. But do not try it at home.